Imagine a world where your phone calls, texts, video meetings, and even faxes all live under one roof. No more flipping between apps, searching for contacts, or scrambling to remember logins. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that's the promise of cloud-based communication platforms like RingCentral. But here's the question that might be stopping you. Do I actually have to download a whole new app to use RingCentral? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding no. In today's video, we'll break down exactly how RingCentral works and why downloading an app is entirely optional, but highly recommended. Let's rewind a bit. Remember the days of clunky, landline phones chained to a desk? Communication hasn't just evolved. It's been revolutionized. Today, businesses of all sizes are embracing the flexibility and power of cloud technology. Think of the cloud as a giant virtual data center. With RingCentral, your phone system, messaging, video meetings, and even faxes all reside in this secure online space. This means you can access your communications from anywhere, on any device, with an internet connection. Here's where the download question comes in. RingCentral offers two main ways to interact with the platform. Number 1. The web app. This is RingCentral's core functionality, accessible directly through your web browser. Think of it as your one-stop shop for all things communication. Imagine opening a web page and having your entire business phone system at your fingertips. You can make and receive calls, send messages, host video meetings, and manage settings, all without ever downloading a single thing. This web app is perfect for those who prefer a desktop experience, or maybe you're using a work computer with limited download permissions. The beauty of the cloud is that your communication hub remains accessible, no matter the device. Number 2. The mobile app. Now, this is where the downloadable app comes in. While not mandatory, the RingCentral mobile app takes your communication freedom to the next level. Think about it, you can now answer a business call, join a video meeting, or send a quick message, all from the convenience of your smartphone. The mobile app offers a seamless extension of the web app experience, allowing you to stay connected and productive on the go. Imagine a client calling while you're grabbing coffee. No problem. Answer the call with a tap. But wait, there's more. The mobile app unlocks some cool features you won't find in the web app alone. Think voicemail transcription, call recording, and the ability to share files directly within the app. It's a communication powerhouse in your pocket. So, to summarize, downloading the RingCentral mobile app is optional, but highly recommended. The web app provides a fantastic desktop experience, but the mobile app offers unmatched flexibility and on-the-go functionality. Ultimately, the choice is yours. RingCentral empowers you to choose the communication style that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.